Did you just purchase a timeshare today? I'm going to tell you the 4 R's that can save you a lot of money. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and if you're new here and you like villa tours, timeshare tips, resort reviews, and industry news, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, and also click that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so today we have the 4 R's that you need to know to save you a lot of money if you just purchased a timeshare. The first one is to rescind. If you just purchased a timeshare, you probably did so in one of the quite often held 90-minute sales presentations that you agreed to go to in order to receive some type of free gift, perhaps a discount, free shows, free tickets to a show, or even perhaps some hotel points with either like Hilton or Marriott. These quite often are a high pressure sales pitch, and maybe you agreed to a timeshare purchase without fully understanding what you purchased. This rescission period is your only chance to legally back out of that timeshare contract. After the rescission period is over, you're out of luck. You are now bound to that timeshare contract. So the number one is to rescind. It just gives you more time to do some research, and in most cases, the same deal you agreed to today will be there 2 or 3 weeks or 4 weeks later with that same timeshare developer that you can basically walk back in or call them up. They often have telephone sales, and make that same timeshare purchase. Why rush into something if you're not fully sure? You really need to rescind, so it gives you more time to do your research. That leads into the next R, number 2, that is research. Spend a lot of time searching the web, reading online forums like Timeshare Users Group, asking questions even down below in the comments. So do your research. I can definitely give you some advice on some of the best resorts, how the different programs work. You definitely want to fully understand what it is that you're purchasing in order to make sure you're getting the most use out of this vacation product, and make sure it's actually right for you and your family. This might not be something that even works for your vacation style, so you need to make sure you do all the research that you can to make sure it's right before you possibly spend $20,000, $30,000, or $40,000 and up with a timeshare developer. And the next one, number 3, this one is actually an optional one of the 4 R's, but this is to rent. If you've actually never visited the property that you're looking to purchase, you might actually want to go and stay there and try it out. See if you like it, see if the vibe is kind of what you're looking for. Is it someplace that you would be okay going to every year, every other year, maybe even every 3rd year? You definitely want to give it a try, get a feel. Is the property right for you? Is it the kind of place you like to visit? So check out sites like the Tug Marketplace or Red Week for rentals. They're great places to find other owners that are renting their timeshare weeks, and it can give you an idea of what that place is all about. And it's definitely probably a lot cheaper than sinking a lot of money into a brand new timeshare purchase and realizing it's not for you. You may spend $1,000, $2,000 on a timeshare rental and determine that it just isn't the timeshare you wanted to purchase, which saved you a lot of money from having to purchase a timeshare from the developer and then realizing it wasn't right. So definitely consider renting before you buy. So the 4th R, this is one that will definitely save you a lot of money. Of course, there are some drawbacks to this one, and we'll get into those in a little bit, but this one is purchase resale. A lot of owners out there are wanting to sell their timeshares. Maybe they don't use them, maybe there was a death in the family, and they just have no use for that timeshare purchase anymore. So they're not using the product. There are sites out there like Red Week and the Tug Marketplace, Owner Trades, among many others. eBay is even another great option for looking for a resale timeshare. These other owners are trying to unload their timeshares, and because timeshares have ongoing obligations in the maintenance fees, and also because much of the initial developer purchase of a timeshare is actually marketing costs, actually anywhere up to 50 or 60% of the timeshare purchase from a developer is marketing costs. The purchase price for a resale timeshare can be significantly cheaper, often pennies on the dollar. You may even be able to find a timeshare resale for $1 or potentially even free. Definitely a great way to save a lot of money. Now with resale timeshares, you may not be able to take advantage of certain perks that are offered with a developer purchase. So for example, if you purchase a Marriott resale week, you cannot enroll that currently into the Marriott Vacation Club Destinations Points Program. In order to use that week, you have to either stay at your home resort or you're going to need to exchange it through Interval International if you want to go somewhere else. So before we wrap up this video, let's just go over those 4 R's quickly again. Rescind. Make sure you get your rescission letter in the mail right away. It's your only chance to legally rescind your timeshare contract that you just purchased from the developer. Research. Check out the web. Research as much as you can to make sure you fully understand your timeshare purchase. Rent. That is to check out sites like Redweek and Timeshare Users Group Marketplace and rent a week before you go and purchase your timeshare there. And then of course the last one is resale. Check out resale. And even after all that research, you may still decide to go back and purchase from the timeshare developer, and that is perfectly fine. They definitely all have fantastic products, and purchasing from the timeshare developer for some people may just provide that little bit of additional comfort and confidence that the deal will go smoothly than maybe trying to go out and purchase them on eBay or the different marketplaces where people list their weeks for sale. But definitely check out resales, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's make your next destination a timeshare.
I feel how it's coming on, the end with the break of dawn.